This 2023 Forest River Wildwood FSX 245 VC is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Hewitt, Texas, 76643 and is offered for sale by Funtown RV, Waco. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 27 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 4 and 54 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features Murphy bed, outdoor kitchen. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.